Can avoiding certain vegetables really ease your arthritis pain? Doctors say absolutely. Taking just a few things out of your diet can make a big difference in your level of pain. Millions of Americans suffer from the pain and stiffness of arthritis in the knees, the fingers, maybe the back. And lately, many are left with few solutions following the serious health problems linked to popular painkillers. But Dr. Karima Hirani of the Hirani Wellness Center in Culver City has some answers. She says it's not a matter of what you should do, but what you shouldn't do. Shouldn't eat, that is.
I always ask my patients to avoid the nightshades for at least 6 weeks.
If you're like most people, you're probably wondering, what are nightshades?
The nightshade plants are tomatoes, white potato, eggplant, all peppers except for black, and tobacco. These nightshade plants have a alkaloid in them, which apparently has an inflammatory effect on the joints.
But can avoiding them really ease the pain of arthritis?
I had one young man who came to me who had severe back problems, and he was told that he had arthritis in the back, in his spine, and we had him cut out the nightshades. He came back to see me a month later. He was 80% better, and it was only because he was unable to quit the smoking. And I'm sure if he was able to quit the smoking, he would have been 100% better. Food is so important. It can be your medicine or it could be your poison.
Potatoes were the poison for one of her patients with arthritis in the fingers.
Right after he ate potatoes, he went into, this horrible stiffness and pain in his fingers.
In addition to changes in the diet, several studies also show that certain supplements can relieve joint pain.
Glucosamine and chondroitin, and about 500 milligrams each 3 times a day can be very effective. MSM is an anti-inflammatory, and that can also be very helpful. And I recommend anywhere from 500 to 1,000 milligrams 3 times a day of MSM. They're very what we call chondroprotective, so they may actually prevent further damage to the cartilage.
Lots of good advice there. You may also want to have your vitamin D level checked. Dr. Hirani says a deficiency can actually worsen your arthritis. Now, for more information on the nightshades elimination diet, you can call area code 310-577-0753. Again, that number 310-577-0753. Well, finally, it turns out chamomile tea is